So hello guys, this is Harshi from Karim's YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna explain you how to hide apps in Oneplus mobiles. Okay, so I will show you how to hide and also unhide your apps in Oneplus mobiles. Okay, so let's get started. So firstly, open your mobile and open your app drawer. Okay, so slide your screen from left to right to open this hidden space. Just click on the plus icon and choose the apps that you're gonna hide. Okay, I just choose this WhatsApp, and after choosing, just click on the right option here and boom. So in this way you can hide your apps in OnePlus mobiles. Thank you for watching.